Hi, this is Bill with Farland Classic Restoration. We're going to do a little walk-around video on one of our late model Jaguars. For us, a 2000 model year car is a late model. As you see around me, most of the things we sell are considerably older. But when we find something special, like a 2000 model year car with 18,000 miles on it, we just can't resist. This car has a Carfax report tracking that mileage history. The original owner had the car for over 20 years. It's been really nicely cared for. This is the original sapphire blue paint. The ivory interior looks like nobody's ever been in it. The convertible top is a dark navy blue that matches the car and is virtually perfect. It was optioned with the 18-inch chrome wheels, and that's all factory stuff. And the wood veneer on the dash is beautiful. The car has just recently had some service done on it. It runs and drives like a dream. We have the original window sticker. It was about $74,000 new, and now for a fraction of that, all of this elegance can be yours. Thank you.